So I was just talking to someone and we were talking about leads and kind of really how hard it is sometimes to get leads in your business. So the one thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that when you are working as a cleaning business owner, you have constantly got to be bringing in leads. So the number one thing that I always coach all of my clients to do, and something that I do myself religiously, is I make sure that I am not solely just waiting on leads from one different place. So I try to get multiple avenues and multiple ways of getting leads in my business. If you're in a place right now where you are feeling a little bit like, uncertain about when your next client is going to come, you are not sure how to attract your client, I'm here to let you know that you have got to diversify. So what does that look like as you're diversifying? So diversifying basically means that you are going to be pulling leads from different areas. So whether that is you doing cold calling, whether that is you doing door to door, whether that is you marketing on social media, right? You have to get out here and you gotta hustle and you have to grind. I always tell people that if you're not getting leads in your business, it's because you are not putting in the time, the energy, or the effort, or you're not paying someone to put that in for you, right? Everything with sales is a game of numbers. So I will tell you that the game changer for me was when I stopped complaining about things. I stopped complaining about not getting leads. I stopped complaining about not meeting my revenue goals. I stopped complaining. You guys get where I'm going with this. So that's what you got to do. You got to get in the headspace that regardless of what situation you're in right now, the only person that can change your situation is who? You, right? And so look at what has worked for you, what hasn't worked for you, what is currently working for you and what isn't currently working for you. And listen, do more of what worked. Do more of what is currently working. And I promise you, you'll start to see things shift. So you have to get into the mindset of, this isn't the end all be all, and I can change my situation. So I'm going to share on my next video why it's important to trust the process to change your situation, and why that honestly is the holy grail answer that most people know they need to do, but they absolutely don't do it. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you are following me on social media, as well as I will be sharing some additional updates, tips, tools, all of the things to assist you in maxing out your leads, growing and building your systems as a cleaning business owner. I'll talk to you soon.